Attention all parents. Report to your local therapist. Report to your local church. Report to your local police department. It's going down.
Howdy, folks. Washington State Picker here. I have a challenge lock for you today from Lock Lover, I think, and it's called Leftovers. I haven't been able to find Lock Lover's channel, so if somebody knows what's up with that, please let me know. I'd like to subscribe. It's got a mummy key. I can't do anything with it. I just got it open, but just like I've got 4 of them here now, 3 of them here now, but I can get open off cam. As soon as I start filming, boom, can't get it. I just tried filming 2 other locks just an hour ago or so, maybe even less, and I just gave up. I'm going to try not to give up. I just used this pick and this tension wrench, and now I can't get the tension wrench to stay in there without flopping. There we go. It's got a lot of good false sets. It's got a lot of wobble in it, see? But get some good false sets, and once you get into a deep false set, it usually, well, last time it opened. I'm going to try to do this where y'all can see. It's very hard. Oh my God. This is going to be fun. I might need a bigger tension wrench. As soon as I get filming, nothing works. Okay, you know, if you can't see me picking, I'm sorry. It's locked. False set. Now the key, I'm going to start filming. I'm going to put the tripod over my shoulder while I sit in my chair, or I'm going to find a way to mount my phone to my forehead, and I'm going to I'm going to pick in my easy chair with the damn vise between my legs. That's where I'm getting all these open. Ooh, good deep false set there. Let's see if I can remember. I think it's number 3. Bind, bind, bind. Come on. I didn't lose it. Good. I think I just have one more to get here. Still getting crunchies. Maybe I overset something. When there's so much coarse slop, it's really hard to manually counter-rotate without oversetting something. Can't, okay. Well, you feel like you're open, buddy, but you're not. Come on. Ooh, okay. I had to drop something to... I know you're going to open. I can feel it. I can feel it coming in the air of night. Oh, Lord. I can feel it. Give it to me now. Loosen tension. I think I overset something. That should drop it. When I got it open just a few minutes ago, it was really subtle. I had this deep false set. Nothing was moving, and I just touched a pin and bam, it opened. That's not happening this time. Of course not. I have my Galaxy S8 filming it. I don't think locks like my camera. I do know I don't like this angle. I don't like having the lock right in front of me like this. I like to have it in my lap where it's lower. Ooh, I just want to yank it open now. It's so deep. Come on. Man, you got some deep spools in this thing, buddy. Whoever you are. Okay, I'm going to do that thing again. Try to drop any that were overset. God, any movement. Ooh, touched 2, I think, and it just went into a deeper false set. God, open, come on. Why can't it just open? You know, like it just did a minute ago. It just opened on me. I think losing that false set might have been a good thing. I think I had a spool. He's got some really deep spools in this thing, or she, whoever it is. Speaking of which, I'd like to see more women get into lock sport. I wish my girlfriend would start picking. She has no interest in it. The only time she likes it is when I have to help her by picking the master lock on her storage shed thingy when she loses her key. It's the only time she likes it. She's going to love this lock I made her. I made her a lock that, or I pinned up a ABUS lock with a quick set 1 keyway, pinned it to fit her house key, so she'll never lose her house key. If she does, she has a hide a key there. It'll never be a problem. Come on, I'm going to go over 10 minutes picking a lock that should just open. Probably rake it open. I pity the spool I picked twice. Tried picking it on film, can't get it. I've got Wobbly Fortress I raked open. And single pin picked it. Try to film it, nothing. Now this one. Al LaBelle's locks that I have and Jason Carlson's locks. Well, I just tried one of Jason's. I can't get anywhere with them. There's just no feedback. There's nothing happening. It's not fun like these that have the big deep false sets. I like these ones. Come on. My girlfriend will be calling and I may have to pause the video. Try to and resume. Hopefully if I get it open she'll call while I'm gutting. I don't want to lose my spot in the lock here. God. I really like UK lock pickers picks here. They're very nice. Very comfortable. They work well. I like the thick handles. Feels like he or she's got threading up in the Bible too. Almost like one of the pins doesn't have any spring tension. The spring's probably stuck up there. Like a couple of my locks have done. Gordon W. had that problem. I've had a few of Jeffrey Post's that did that. So I quit doing anything with the Bible except a little undercutting when I have a pin-in-pin driver. You know, I think I'm cursed. It's 10 minutes. It just took me maybe 3 minutes to pick it. Just 20 minutes, 15 minutes ago. Well, 13 minutes ago. You know, I move it over here to my little work table. I turn the phone on. I even get my pillows on my chair so I'm sitting at a nice comfy height. I'm nice and relaxed. Had a good day at work today. Had to clean our votators. They were running grape, and those votators, they look like missiles, and they rotate. They spin really fast, and glycol runs around the outside and cools purees down. They're a chiller for purees, and they're a real pain to clean. The 2 shifts before me spent about 8-9 hours on them, and I took another 8 hours to finish them because the grapes have tartrates that stick to everything. It's really pain in the butt during grape harvest. Everything kind of, my cleaning goes to hell. Grape stains everything, and then the tartrates build up in the pipes and the tanks, and you have to use a lot more caustic and a lot more acid and a lot more heat. You throw a lot of heat at that crap. I'm not going to stop till I get this. I'm tired of not getting locks on cam, and this one's an easy lock. I mean, this is easier than stock in my opinion because I get feedback. I may have to turn on chipmunks. Come on. Oh, everything just dropped. Okay. Man. I was just chatting with BLP60 on Facebook today. I said I miss him slaying locks on video, man. I have nothing but the utmost respect for that man. He's taught me so much, took me under his wing on Facebook, and talked me into getting a YouTube channel, and taught me etiquette for challenge lock making and trading, and gave me pointers on how to make pins, and he's just a wonderful guy. He sent me all kinds of cool stuff. I still have a couple of his pinning trays he sent me that were from Bobby Keys, some followers. Still uses hacksaw blades on my pins too, because the hacksaw blade I had was too coarse. He sent me some finer tooth ones. Sent me some picks too, Peterson. My God. Within a day of using the Peterson picks that he sent me, I ordered more. So I realized they are just awesome. Alrighty. You know what? The core moves that way more. I'm going to go counterclockwise and see if maybe it'll open for me on camera. Sometimes, if the core likes to move one way, it picks better the other. I think easy number 3 by BLP60 was that way, the one I tried gutting the wrong lock. Yeah, that was a good day. I was panicked. I even called BLP60 on Facebook, via Facebook. Because I thought he sent me a stock lock, and I asked him, how could it be so hard to pick? I convinced him that he'd sent me a stock lock. Anyway, I felt like an idiot afterwards. Yeah, I think chipmunks are going to be in order. This thing opened really easily for me. I want to be like Bacardi and BOP60 and Bobby Keys and just be able to, or Jason Carlson, and just be able to open locks on camera like they're nothing. Come on. Well, let's see, what do I have here? Got a Peterson something or other here. New one I've never used. And the plastic's covered up I think it's hook one or a gem, I don't know. Hell if I know. There, got it. All right. Good old Peterson. Never fails me. Could have been one I dropped from making a lock. Anyway, I'm going to do chipmunks on this video for sure. Let's get the light on over here. Zoom in. Nicely done, Mr. Lock Lover. There we go, I'll just hold it. There we go. Serrated, top and bottom. kind of a serrated spool thing on the key pin 2. Driver number 2 is a factory serrated factory spool driver on 3. Homemade spool torpedo key pin 3. Number 4 key pin looks like a homemade torpedo too, and then number 4 driver standard, and factory spool driver number 5, and a factory serrated number 5 key pin. Up in the Bible, I always forget to look at this. I know he threaded one of them. Let's see, he threaded more than that. 5's threaded, 4's threaded. The rest of them look stock. I don't know if you can see that. Not with the shadow. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching. I'm going to turn the chipmunks on. Y'all take care.